Welcome to our fully automated razor blade factory. Behind me is the complete journey of a razor blade, from stainless steel coil.
From this control room, engineers monitor every fully automated step of razor blade manufacturing in real time. The story of every razor blade starts with coils of high-grade stainless steel. This strip is only about 1/10 of a millimeter. Instead of workers lifting heavy steel coils, a robotic lifter does the job, placing the exact material on the uncoiled.
The strip is gently straightened so the thickness and tension are perfectly uniform. That way, every razor blade blank stamped from it will have the same strength and dimensions. This progressive press runs thousands of strokes every minute. Each stroke cuts and shapes new razor blade blanks.
Inside the die, each station does a different operation. First trimming the shape, then punching the slots that later lock the blade into the razor head.
Scrap pieces are chopped away and recycled, while the rows of blade blanks are kept perfectly aligned on a conveyor for the next step. At this point, the razor blade blanks are still soft and flexible. They would bend during shaving, so the next step.
The trays move through a controlled atmosphere furnace heated to extreme temperatures. This changes the internal structure of the steel.
As soon as the blades they are quenched or
A second heat treatment step, called tempering, reduces brittleness so the razor blades stay sharp without chipping while shaving. Robots now pick up hardened blanks and stack them into special magazines. These holders keep the edges lined up perfectly for the...
This is the heart of razor blade manufacturing. Multi-stage robotic grinders cut the hardened strips into an incredibly thin wedge.
The first wheel removes material quickly, shaping a base bevel on each side of the future cutting edge. After coarse shaping, the blades pass through finer grinding stages, which refine the bevel angle to the ideal geometry for a smooth shave. Here, a microscopic amount of steel is removed to perfect the tip shape. This creates an edge with submicron sharpness that can glide through hair with minimal resistance.
Finally, stropping on specially prepared belts, modeled after traditional leather strops, polishes away any remaining burrs and makes the edge even smoother.
The now sharpened and stropped blades are separated into single pieces and laid flat for the next stage.
These large vacuum chambers deposit ultra-thin layers of metals like chromium or platinum onto grids.
Air is pumped out to create a high vacuum. Then special targets release metal anodes that deposit uniform. After the metallic layer is fixed, the blades leave the vacuum chamber, ready for a final low-friction top coat. Robotic nozzles apply a controlled film that makes each razor blade glide more smoothly on the skin and improves comfort over many shaves.
A short controlled bake solidifies the non-stick coating and bonds it tightly to the chromium or platinum layer beneath.
Advanced cameras and sensors now check every single razor blade for sharpness angle and any defects. All this happens at line speed without slowing production.
The system measures the edge radius in fractions of a micron and checks the bevel angles against target values.
Blades that do not meet our quality standards are automatically removed and recycled. Only blades with perfect edges move forward to assembly.
Accepted blades are counted and stacked automatically, depending on whether they will go into single-edge disposable razors or multi-blade cartridges.
While the blades are sharpened and coated, another fully automated area molds the precision plastic parts that will hold and support them in the finished razor.
This small plastic frame must position every blade at the correct spacing and angle so the shave feels smooth and safe.
A comb-shaped tool fans out the blades and separates them with exact spacing, then inserts each one into its own slot.
The top piece locks the blades into the frame and often carries a lubricating strip that helps the razor glide over the skin.
For cartridge-style razors, clip each finished head onto a matching handle, or load multiple spare cartridges into a plastic tray. On disposable razors, the blades are locked permanently into a simple plastic handle, so after their cutting life ends, the entire razor is replaced.
Now our blades have transformed into finished razor heads and complete razors. Both types merge on this conveyor and move directly.
Vibratory feeders straighten and align every razor, ensuring that the packaging robots can pick them up with perfect repeatability.
A robotic gantry picks groups of razors and sets them into pre-formed plastic blisters within a fraction of a second, placing every handle in its own pocket.
Information leaflets and printed back cards are placed automatically so customers receive usage directions, safety warnings, and branding along with their razor.
Heated plates bond the plastic blister to the printed card, creating a tamper-resistant package around each razor.
A cutting die trims each pack so it matches the exact retail shape with clean edges and a hanging hole for store displays.
For some products, several razors or cartridges are grouped into a box. The cart counts them, bundles them, and
Each box is weighed and scanned automatically. The system confirms that the right number of razors are inside and that labeling matches the production order.
any pack with missing weight or a wrong code is pushed to a reject lane for manual review, while perfect packs continue without interruption.
Robots now pick groups of finished cartons and load them into larger outer cases, ready to leave the factory.
A palletizing robot arranges the shipping cases into stable stacks that are easy to move with forklifts and safe during transport.
Stretch wrap secures each pallet and a printed label identifies the product batch and destination so logistics teams can track every shipment.
You have now seen the full automated chain from soft stainless steel coils through heat treatment, grinding, honing, coating, inspection, assembly, and packaging of razor blades. High precision presses stamp blade shapes and holds out of thin stainless strip. Thousands of ranks are produced every minute. Next heat treatment hardens the steel. Heat cycling and rapid quenching give razor blades the strength they need so the thin edges will not deform or dull resistance.
Robotic grinding systems shape the cutting edge in several stages. Rough grinding, fine grinding, automated cameras and sensors inspect every edge, measuring shape, tip thickness, and coating uniformity. Human eyes alone could never keep up at this speed. Assembly cells combine precision molded plastic with these micro-finish blades. Whether for multi-blade cartridges or disposable razors, everything high precision. Finally, packaging lines place finished razors into retail packs, boxes, and shipping cases.
Let us walk along one complete line, from coil to hardened blanks, so you can feel how smoothly automation keeps material flowing without stops.
After heat treatment, the blades enter this series of grinders and owners. This is where they gain that characteristic razor-thin edge.
Next come the coating chambers and curing ovens, where blades receive corrosion resistance and low friction surfaces before heading to inspection.
At the inspection stage, every edge is recorded and analyzed within milliseconds. Then accepted blade. From here, the steel blades meet their plastic partners. Everything from this point focuses on safe, precise assembly.
Robots slide stacks of blades into cartridge frames, align them perfectly, and lock on top caps in a repeating dance timed to fractions of a second.
On the disposable line, each handle and head are one solid plastic piece, so a single blade is inserted and locked forever.
Whether replaceable cartridges or complete disposable razors, all products eventually join this main highway that leads to automated packaging.
Engineers also test sample blades off the line to confirm cutting force and comfort. The goal is to remove hair cleanly while minimizing pull on the skin.
Robotic shavers repeat thousands of strokes on test surfaces, while sensors record how much force is needed to cut.
Coating systems are also tested in salt fog and humidity chambers to ensure blades resist rust, even when stored in damp bathrooms.
Even in a fully automated factory, remain essential. Here you can see the entire transformation. Stainless steel coil, soft stamped blank, hardened and ground edge-coated blade.
The next time you shave, remember how much engineering and quality control stands behind this tiny piece of steel. It's microscopic.
Fully automated technology supports many razor styles, from simple travel disposables to premium multi-blade systems, yet
This shared edge technology is what really defines performance in the how razor blades are made in fully automated factories process.
Thank you for joining me on this detailed tour of our fully automated razor blade factory.
From steel coils to microscopic bevels, from vacuum coatings to robotic assembly lines, each step is tuned to make your daily experience.
if you enjoyed learning how high-tech your razor really is, share this video and let others see the world of blade making.
You have watched how razor blades are made in fully automated factories, a journey of precision, heat, light, and literally. Behind each clean shave is an army of sensors, robots, and engineers, all working together to create millions.
From our fully automated factory floor to your daily routine, and the path of every razor blade follows the
I hope this tour answered your curiosity about how razor blades are made and why modern factories rely so heavily on automation for quality and safety. To keep exploring manufacturing processes, choose another video or replay any part of this factory tour to catch details you might have missed.
Special thanks to our production crew and the engineers here at the factory for making this incredible tour of the automated line possible. Additional thanks to safety staff, quality labs, and automation specialists who ensure these razor blades meet global standards.
This sophisticated vacuum process gives the blades their final edge. And with that, we'd like to thank the staff and location for this look inside the factory.
For more deep dives into everyday products, explore these videos next.
Thank you for watching how razor blades are made in fully automated factories. See you in the next manufacturing journey.